Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your user ID and server ID in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Mobile Legends game on your mobile device and make sure it is updated. Now, tap on the Add Friends icon located on the right side of the screen and a new window will appear. In the search bar, type your friend's name and select their account. Next, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom and you will see their server ID. However, you cannot view their user ID from this section. If you want to find your own user ID and server ID, simply return to the home page and tap on your profile icon. Once inside your profile, you will see both your user ID and server ID displayed at the top left corner of the screen. These details are useful when adding friends or recovering your account. So that's basically how you can find your user ID and server ID in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.